My name is Emmanuel Okechukwu. I'm native of Amekwite in Abia State. An ex-footballer. Currently, I'm an electrician. When that job is not around, I still boxers. When we were growing up, there are factories in Aba, and those factories have football clubs. Even when you are in the secondary school, the clubs, these factories that own football, amateur football clubs, there are stipends they give to the footballers, which help you, to overcome some of the things they ask you in school, which you will not even go to ask your parents. And because of those factories, there was no crime. Crime was zero in Aba because everybody is engaged. So, but nowadays, you can see that nothing is moving. Even in Aba, as we are talking, there are no good roads. Even though pay less emphasis on trading and go back to manufacturing. This time I'm telling you, in the 80s, Anye has 10 companies. Okam has Falcon. And it is that Falcon football club that metamorphoses to this present Enyimba. So, as you can see now, it is textiles. You go to China, you buy textiles, you come to Aba, you sell. And secondly, now there is no electricity for the people who want even to establish something. Like I'm now doing boxers. Look at, these are industrial machines. They are not doing anything because there is no light. And this is 21st century. We can go back on pedaling machine like before. At least with this industrial machine, you keep me moving. Like I said, Falcon, UOO, they manufacture this lead they use for welding. Dubik Industries, it is the Guinness are now using them as a franchise. It's no more. Guinness Breweries, it's no more. Falcon, they have minerals then. Falcon Bottling Company, they have minerals. Even in those days, if you go to a pub or a restaurant and you want to eat, after eating they'll give you a bottle of those minerals, and it was moving. You see, Liver Brothers is no longer on. If you go to PZ, they are doing scatter jobs. Even in breweries, it's contract jobs too. You cannot be employed fully. They give the job to contractors, and the contractors then hire people, use them any way they like. So you cannot say, I'm working for breweries. You can come this morning and they tell you you are off.
No job security.
No job security. More emphasis should be laid on small-scale industries.
Even about textile mill.
About textile mill, that of about textile mill. When about textile mill was not working, as about textile mill was not working, the Lagos textile mill, the whole federation, that textile mill was federal something. It's not a region. It's federal something. It is their policy now. How can you live in a country that has 3 refineries? You still import. Then people are seeking job here. Then you are expanding the job horizon of other countries. The government of the day, mostly the federal, let them do something. Let them do something. At least if there is electricity in this country, our problem will be half solved.